Everyone, my name is Akshit Kashyap and today I will be presenting my Power BI project titled Food Delivery Crisis Impact Analytics. This project analyzes how a major operational and reputational crisis impacted the business performance of Quick Bite Express, a Bengaluru-based food delivery startup. The dataset contained two phases: pre-crisis period, the baseline for normal performance; crisis period, after food safety controversy plus week-long delivery outage. My objective was to measure the impact, damage, and change in customer and restaurant behavior during the crisis. The purpose of this project is to understand how the crisis affected customer activity, measure order drop and demand concentration, analyze restaurant participation and churn, identify delivery performance issues, and evaluate rating and sentiment decline. Provide insight to guide crisis recovery strategy. Leadership wants to know how big was the damage, which segments suffered the most, what operational factors caused the breakdown. The analysis is based on 9 months of transactional data containing orders, quantities, delivery timings, customer ratings, restaurant activity status, cuisine information, city level segmentation. I also created drive columns like cuisine based pricing, delivery delay, and time period classifications. The first step of this project was data cleaning. Using Power Query, I performed removal of duplicate entries, correction of inconsistent restaurant names, handling missing delivery timestamps, classification of each record into pre crisis or crisis, creation of new date fields, restaurant active and inactive status, calculation of delivery delays and SLA flags. This step ensured accurate and reliable data. The next step was data modeling. I built a proper star schema for smooth analysis in which the fact tables were orders, delivery performance, and rating. Dimension tables were customers, restaurants, city, cuisine, and calendar. This structure allowed flexible slicing of KPI by city, cuisine, restaurant type, and time period. There were some key DEX measures. I created all major performance indicators such as total orders, average delay time, SLM at percentage, total delivery delay, average rating, rating drop percentage, total active restaurants. These measures form the core of all dashboards. Now let's start with dashboard number 1, customer recovery and churn overview. This dashboard compares customer behavior before and during the crisis. The key insights of this dashboards were: customer activity reduced sharply during crisis months. Many customers stopped ordering completely due to trust and delivery issues. The majority of active customers belong to metro cities like Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Delhi. Customer churn was heavy as operational delays increased. The crisis significantly disrupted customer confidence and reduced platform usage. Let's move on to next dashboard number 2, orders, trends and demand behavior. This dashboard focuses on order patterns. Order dropped significantly during the crisis. The majority of orders still came from pre-crisis restaurants. Quantity trends line shows up a clear dip during crisis months. Bangalore remains the top city in terms of total orders. Several cities experienced near zero ordering activity during peak crisis. Demand collapsed mainly due to lower trust and delivery failures, not because of pricing or distance. Let's move on to dashboard number 3, restaurant activity and partner performance. This dashboard tracks how restaurant partners behaved during the crisis. Restaurant partners' participation dropped drastically. Almost half of the restaurants became inactive during crisis. This indicates operational instability and business uncertainty. Bengaluru had the strongest restaurant pace across the phase. High price cuisine, healthy and biryani shows higher pricing power. Fast food and Chinese cuisine operate in low price, high volume segments. Partner churn was extremely high, reducing food options and impacting customer experience. Now let's move on to our last dashboard, delivery and operation performance. This dashboard highlights the operational issues that drove the crisis. SLA compliance crashed from 43% to around 12%. Average delivery time increased by 20 plus minutes during the crisis. Total deliveries dropped sharply. Delays minutes spiked significantly in crisis months. Delivery performance was a root cause of customer dissatisfaction. Delivery breakdown was the main trigger for order cancellation, low ratings, and customer churn. Average rating drops from 4.5 to nearly 2.5 during the crisis. Negative ratings directly align with late deliveries and SLA failures. Lower customer gave stronger negative feedback than casual customers. The platform's reputation took a serious hit. Rating reflect the emotional impact of crisis on customer trust and satisfaction. Now I will conclude my project with this summary. Across all dashboards, the analysis clearly shows several drops in customer engagement, high restaurant churn, huge fall in order volume, delivery performance collapsing, rating declining by almost 2 points. The crisis caused business-wide disruption across demand, supply, and operations. This data-driven assessment highlights exactly where the platform suffered and why. Here are some recommendations based on the finding. Here are my recommendations for crisis recovery. Number 1. Fix delivery operations immediately. Add backup fleet, introduce surge delivery teams during bad weather. Second, launch customer trust rebuilding campaigns, free delivery coupons, food safety guarantees, loyalty rewards. Third, partner retention strategy. Provide temporary commission waivers, onboarding support, and safety certification badges. Number 4. Optimize route planning. Use real-time traffic and weather data to reduce delays. Number 5. Strengthen food safety communication. Highlight checks, audits, and hygiene scores clearly in the app. This project allowed me to analyze operational breakdown using data modeling decks and multi-storing in Power BI. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope the insight helped guide recovery decision for Quick Byte Express.